Hey everyone, it's Jim. This is a demonstration of my AT&T Uverse EAS template. I wanted to make this for y'all to use since I haven't really seen many accurate Uverse mockups, and having previously had Uverse for about 12 years, I decided, you know what, I want to make my own template. This pack even includes the 2010 template and the 2006 template. Link to this pack will be in my About Me on this channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd credit me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see y'all make some mocks with it.